The second reason is the inability to offer warranty. Not just the fact that you didn't buy the part, so you can't offer warranty, but here's the thing. Most consumer protection acts or protection laws in most provinces and states require you to offer 90 days parts and labor, regardless of who supplied the part. Think about that. And those laws might not read exactly those words, but however they are read, that is how they're enforced. Here's how it works. Now, I'm not a judge, I'm not a lawyer, but here's how, this is in very simple terms. Here's what a judge says. You have to cover that because you're the expert. What do you mean I'm the expert? You knew better. You know the consequences of allowing a customer supplied part, yet you allowed it anyways, hence you lose, Mr. Shop Owner. That is how judges look at it. They don't look at the fact that the customer supplied it. They looked at the fact that you are the expert, and the judge is always looking at who is the decision maker, who is the one that makes the decision. The expert makes the decision, and that's who they hold accountable. They can't, a consumer can't be held accountable to making a good decision on an automotive part because they don't have the training, the knowledge and experience to do that. So it'll always backfire and fall back on you, at least for 90 days, if not longer, depending on how bad the situation is or it gets in front of a court, right? So that's a really important one for everybody to remember. But here's the thing, right? Use that as a reason. You know, I'm really sorry, sir. I'm really sorry, ma'am. We only supply the parts because we supply the warranty. Well, I don't need any warranty. Fortunately for you, the consumer protection says that I have to offer it, and I'm not willing to do that if I haven't been in control of that decision, right? So that's another really, really, really important reason.